trying to import GitHub project into Lovable, but if you can click this button here, you can see there's no option to do that using the free plan of Lovable. I'm not even sure if on the paid plan that option is available, but I think I found a trick to do that. So I have this project here. The first thing that you need to do is to click here on code and then click here on download code. So it will download this source code of the project. So now I've downloaded the code and this is the code here. It's on a zip folder. And what you need to do next after downloading the source code of the project that you want to import here on Lovable and create a dummy project. So I'll simply say create a hello world simple project. And then click enter or submit. So just wait for the project to complete. So it's complete. You can see now this is the project that has been created. So what you need to do is to head over here on GitHub and then connect the project to your GitHub account. So I already have my GitHub here, and then I'll just click here on connect. And then the project has been created and connected to GitHub. It's a two-way sync. So basically, two-way sync is that if you edit your project from the GitHub side, it will automatically be edited here on Lovable. And that's the trick I'm going to be somehow utilizing. Start connecting your Lovable simple project to your GitHub account. You need to download the GitHub software on your desktop. And once you have downloaded it and install it, just open your GitHub here and then connect it to your GitHub account. I've already done that. So once you are done with that, just click here and then click here on add and then click here clone repository. And then as you have seen, our project is named Hello World. This is the project here, or simple project. And then this is where it's going to be cloned. Just click here on clone. And then automatically it will clone that project. So just now I need to head over to the project that I've cloned, the simple Hello World project. This is the cloned project. And then going to the downloaded project from GitHub that we want to upload it to Lovable and edit it. So just copy it and then extract it here on the simple project. So now we have our project that we want to edit on Lovable inside the simple Hello World project that we created on Lovable. So once that has been done, if you can go to the GitHub app, you will see that there's something that has been added. Just need to push it, and I will name it. So just commit this and then push it. So it has been pushed. So after pushing it, I'll just come back to my Hello World simple project. And then I'll just refresh it. And then I'll just inspect the code and see if our project appears here. I don't think it's appearing right now. All I need to do, I will just have to say scan the files project, and if you detect a file named, just going to double check what's the name of the project, just copy it, the name, then come back to Lovable. I want you to replace this simple hello world website with this new one named and then submit, and then let's see what it's going to do. And let me just cancel the view code and then let Lovable do its thing here. You can see it say I can see the directory. I'll replace the current project with it. There's an error here. I think this error, it's happening because this project is using a database. So what I will do, I'll just say remove the database. I don't mind my English, but let's try doing this and see if the project is going to load. Mind you, my credits is about to round out, so I will try as much as possible to for the project to just load. We want the project to just load and see if it has successfully cloned the exact project that we are having here that we uploaded. But you can see here something is already happening, and the reason I believe it's not loading here, it's because the project has a database. So I'm just removing the database and see if it's going to load. So if your project does not have a database, I believe everything will just work out of the box after just prompting Lovable to scan the project and then replace this simple hello world project with this one here. Let's just wait and see. Boom. You can see now this is like the best way of importing your GitHub project into Lovable and start editing it on Lovable. So if this video was helpful to you, give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be giving more content on creating websites using AI. So I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace out.